I wanted to make this video because I have the opportunity to repair a face mask. This is one of the fitted face masks, and I have a friend who has a new dog. And the dog has now gone through 3 face masks. Let me just pick that up. This is my white family rotary from 1901. So they have a new dog who likes to chew elastic. Now, if you, I've made a couple of videos about making rope in different ways because rope or fabric is more long-term than elastic. But if you want to stick with elastic or you need to repair one like this, what I did was, and this has, boy, the dog really got to this. But the guy likes the color and likes the mask. So I ripped out the top stitching just from up here down to the original opening for turning the mask. Now on this particular one I had to kind of fix it over here the first time, so I may go further and redo all of the top stitching. But to repair this, I only had to go this far and then pull this inside out, get the elastic to come out. Let me put the camera down again. And I will probably end up turning the whole mask inside out so that I can stitch, have it flat when I'm stitching the elastic. So what this does is, by doing this, it gives me access to the elastic again. So the point is, if you like, and now with washing, this is lost a little bit on the edges. If you like your face mask and you'd rather just replace the elastic than switch to a different face mask, you just unmake it or unsew it. Take it apart the way you put it together. Get back to where you are at the place of stitching the elastic. And now with a seam ripper, I will take out this one area, one section of seam where that elastic is, insert a new piece of elastic, restitch this, turn it right side out, and finish the top stitching again. I'll take this one further apart so I can fix that other bottom area that I had to fix before. But this is really all you have to do, is take out the top stitching for the affected area down to where your opening was, turn the mask inside out again, use a seam ripper to undo the area between the 2 elastic pieces, and replace the elastic and restitch it. It's easy to do. It's not a big deal. It's not a big fix.